All right, guys, welcome to this video here at the Daily Brew. My name is LV. I want to say thank you first and foremost for you watching this video. And I want to say thank you to Theodore's Roastery for having us in here. Thank you, B-Man, AKA Brandon, and Dan the Man from Sailcore Creative for actually shooting this, making this look really good. We wanted this to look good because we want to say thank you to you for helping us do this unboxing. Without your generosity through our Kiva loan, we wouldn't have been able to buy this beautiful La Marzocco Linea mini espresso machine. But again, this is from my heart to yours. I want to say thank you so much for your generosity. I mean, some of you did $25, some of you did $400, like you were a lender to our loan. 0% interest through Kiva. And I also want to say thank you to Kiva. All right, guys, thank you so much for your generosity. As you can see, we have the espresso machine. This is the La Marzocco Linea Mini, and this is the Eureka Zenith espresso grinder. I'm so excited to get my hands really into this, and there's gonna be more videos to come because I wanna play with this, and I wanna make some super dope lattes, some super dope drinks just for you. So again, thank you for your generosity. Now, you've been watching this video. I would love for you to subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Like that right there, that's the bell. That's me saying ding, 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 hit the bell. Or you can go into the description below and sign up for our email list. If you sign up for the email list, you get a chance to have super duper dope discounts on coffee, and you get notifications every time we upload a video. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for joining us here on the Daily Brew. Have a good one.